Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters at mga ka-G! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries at kung saan man kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig ay hayaan niyo muna kami ni G, the green, girly, cutie patuti iguana na batiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening at good night po sa mga ready ng matulog at welcome po sa ating last day ng ating episode tungkol sa ultra-processed foods na kailangan po natin itong iwasan. Alright, so hindi na ako magpapatupik-tupik pa. How can we avoid ultra-processed foods? So it can be hard to avoid ultra-processed foods. Many of these options tend to be cheaper and more convenient than whole, unprocessed, or minimally processed foods. Okay? So picking organic. Pagpili natin ng organic or plant-based or all-natural options does not necessarily mean these products are not ultra-processed. So, yun po. And one way to cut back or eliminate ultra-processed foods is to start by adding more whole and minimally processed foods to your diet. Mas piliin po natin ang mga whole and mga minimally processed na mga foods instead of the ultra processed. Okay? So it is to improve our overall health. 'Di ba mga masters and mga G, and reduce your risk of severe health conditions like high blood pressure or hypertension, diabetes, and heart disease. In fact, kahapon po ay na-discuss na po natin, pero uulitin ko lang po itong linya na to. So we will be giving out, or I will be giving out additional ways to reduce your intake of ultra-processed foods. So ano po? Number one is pick processed foods with less fats, sugar, and salt. So pipiliin po natin, titingnan po natin yung label sa likod niya. Basta it has to have less fat, less sugar, and less salt. This can help us avoid ingredients that might lead to health problems. And po, siyempre yung tatlong yan ay very crucial po yan sa ating health. Number two, read food labels. Basahin talaga yung label sa likod. When you grocery shop, pag pumunta po tayo sa groceries, okay, always read nutrition and ingredients label. Siyempre, it can be found at the back of the package. Avoid food additives and preservatives like high fructose corn syrup, food dyes, hydrogenated oils, monosodium glutamate or tinatawag nilang MSG or Vetsin, sodium nitrate, and sodium nitrite. Okay, may nitrate, may nitrite. And sulfites. Examples of the sulfites are bisulfites, sodium bisulfite, sodium sulfite, or etc. Number three, shop healthier staples. Tatandaan nyo rather than buying ultra-processed foods, stock up on ito mga quinoa, okay, meron siya mga brown rice or low or no sodium nuts, seeds. Syempre yung mga no sodium nuts is yung mga hindi po siya roast, yung di ba kita niyo yung mga mani, mga salted nuts, mga salted cashew, salted almonds. So yung pipiliin niyo po yung walang asin o hindi po siya na-process. Parang ano lang, roasted, yun lang, plain lang po siya. Okay? So, low or no sodium nuts, seeds, and their butters. Okay, mga butters po nila, kailangan no sodium din. So, almond butter, dapat mga low sodium po mga masters, ha? Mga ka-G. Mga trail mixes, di ba? Alam niyo mga trail mixes, mga different kinds of nuts. Okay, yung mga parang nasa pack na po siya, na parang ginagawang snacks. Pero, kailangan yung walang candy, walang, iba dyan, may nilalagay po silang mga M&M's, mga chips, or mga yogurt, ng mga matatamis na mga parang candy, minimix po nila sa nuts. Avoid po natin yan. Okay, so di ba nakikita nyo dyan, meron mga sunflower seeds, may mga almonds, may mga, minsan meron po silang kasamang mga cashew, so iba't ibang tinatawag po dyan is trail mix na mga snacks. Okay? And avoid also frozen and fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay? And na ano, yung mga frozen, avoid lang natin yung as much as possible. Okay naman po siya, pero as much as possible, mas maganda yung fresh talaga. Okay? So next is number 4 is cook at home. Yun na po. Cook at home. By making meals at home, you eat more whole foods and get to control the amount of added fats, salts, and sugars, which you can't do when consuming prepared foods or restaurant meals. So, makontrol nyo po siya. Instead na pumunta kayo sa restaurants or bumili na kayo ng prepared or pre-packed na mga meals, alam mo talaga kung ano ginagamit nyo. You know what you're using or what you cooked or what are the ingredients you used when you cook your own food. Okay? So number 5 is make healthier alternatives. Okay, to your favorite ultra-processed foods. Make healthier alternatives. So, ibig sabihin, hahanap tayo ng mas healthy na kapalit. Okay, so example, you can avoid ultra-processed foods by making healthier versions of those food. For example, if you like sweetened breakfast cereals, o di ba, may mga cornflakes, mga ganon-ganon dyan, sweetened na mga breakfast cereals, consider making yourself a bowl of oatmeal with rolled oats and honey. O, pareho din yan ang taste niya. Okay, pero syempre pag may mga oatmeals kasi na very good, like still oats, yung mga ilulutuin mo pa siya talaga ng 20 minutes. Avoid niyo po yung mga oatmeals na 2 minutes lang lalagyan ng tubig, na mainit or boiling water at saka tatabunan. Yun po, avoid natin yan. Mas maganda yung lulutuin mo talaga kasi whole grains po yan, whole oats po yan. Mas maganda po yan compared sa mga instant. Alam niyo na po kung ano mga brand ng mga instant, di ba? If you like fried chicken, okay, roast some chicken from scratch. Start. Roast from scratch. Bili kayo ng manok at kayo talaga ang mag-roast niyan. Or pwede rin po, suggestion ko po is pwede din tayo mag-air fryer. Ako may air fryer ako, air fryer po ginagamit ko. Mas maganda po yung air fryer compared sa deep fry. Okay? And a healthier alternative to white bread is a homemade whole wheat bread. Homemade, kung sino sa inyo dyan, those who know how to bake or make a whole wheat na mga breads or mga kakanin, mas maganda kung gumawa kayo sa inyo ng sarili nyo. Okay? So, start by checking the labels. Check by clicking or checking the labels. Ulitin ko, mali na naman ang sinabi ko. Start by checking the labels of foods you already have in your fridge and pantry. Being aware of what foods you like contain being aware of what foods you like contain can help guide toward making healthier choices of the grocery store at the grocery store. So alam niyo po yung mga ingredients. Okay, in summary po, avoiding or limiting ultra-processed foods such as a pre-packed snacks, ready-made meals, and breakfast cereals may help you stay healthy and prevent chronic health conditions. This food contains minimal whole foods and are mostly made of modified substances extracted from food. Okay, so hindi po siya maganda sa katawan natin. They're not anymore whole foods. Just only a part of the food, of the real food that they extract, and that is added or that's made as a different kind of chemically processed meal. Okay, so these foods contain minimal whole foods and mostly made of modified substances extracted from food, such as sugars, salts, fats, artificial colors and flavors, and preservatives. Researchers have found that various health risks related to these foods include heart disease, mental health disorders, cancers, dementia, and diabetes. To reduce your risk for associated conditions, Consider limiting or avoiding ultra-processed foods. Okay, tandaan nyo natin yan na very important po yan mga masters and mga ka-G. You do not need to overhaul your diet at all at once. Start by reading labels and avoiding food containing high amounts of fat, salt, sugars, and other additives. When possible, choose whole foods and healthier snack options. Okay? You have to remember whole foods talaga instead of just relying on those ultra processed foods. Cooking at home can help you consume less fat and sugar. It also gives you an opportunity to make healthier versions of your favorite foods. Alright mga masters, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for the love and support. And of course, G is very happy. Nandito naman si G sa akin ngayon. And before we end, I would like to thank you all for supporting the birthday celebration. Just a short 2 hour live stream. Host din ang ating Inday Ana kahapon. So that's in behalf of the Bahay Kulitan family. We also would like to thank all of those who made their own greetings, sweet greetings for our Indayana. And thank you. And we'll have some more lectures. We'll start another lecture or topic tomorrow. And I hope you keep sharing and coming to my premieres. And see you this coming every 6 o'clock in the morning around this time. Of course, we always have our premiere promotion premiere with this G and Daddy health and lifestyle tips. Maraming salamat po mga masters and mga ka-G, and I hope to see you again. And this is your one and only Master Worm. God is great. Yahoo!